That sounds real good. That sounds real good. That sounds pretty fucking good. Wow, that's loud. Huh? Oh yeah. Alright. Well, here, put it in neutral and see if you can rev it up just a little bit and see if it makes a noise. Hit the brake. Keep doing that. Just not, you don't have to go that loud. Just do it a little bit. Put your foot on the brake and the gas. Yes. Alright. That sounds pretty bad. Definitely sounds like it's coming from the transmission side. Well. Holy crap. Alright. Well. See you later.